Hey guys, so now in section 8.8, we're getting into another factoring method called factoring by grouping. We only use this method when we have a polynomial with 4 terms. And so let's get into the steps of how we factor by grouping. First, you want to check for an overall GCF. So if I look at this example, the only GCF I could take out of all 4 terms is 1. So I'm not going to pull that out. So now I'm going to group my terms. So I want to group my first 2 in parentheses and group my second 2 in parentheses. So now I want to factor out the GCF for each group. So out of these 2, my GCF is x squared. And that will leave x plus 1 when I factor that out. Out of this group, my GCF is a positive 2. If I divide out positive 2, that leaves x plus 1. Now, if you notice, what should happen is you're left with a binomial GCF now. So I see both of these terms have an x plus 1 binomial GCF. I'll factor out that binomial GCF, and that leaves these 2 terms, x squared plus 2. So when we have 4 terms, check for an overall GCF. Group your terms in 2s. Factor out the GCF for each group, which should leave a binomial GCF to factor. Let's practice some more below.